Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss bullying using social media, texting, or other electronic means. We refer to this as cyberbullying. The Cyberbullying Research Center defines cyberbullying as willful and repeated harm inflicted through the use of computers, cell phones, and other electronic devices. Our students today use social media and the internet more than ever. 92% of U.S. teens go online daily. As social media sites like Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter grow, it is important to monitor what our students are doing online and who they are interacting with. 60% of students who have experienced cyberbullying say it affected their ability to learn at school and oftentimes required them to miss school. So this is an issue that we need to continue to monitor as we grow and learn with the internet and social media. As we move forward through this presentation, we have two guiding questions we would like you to consider. The first, how do we develop responses to cyberbullying and other forms of digital abuse when we see them on social media? And the second, how do we create digitally responsible citizens that create a safe digital environment? We want our students to not only know how to make informed decisions of the situations they encounter on social media, but also look out for the well-being of others. Throughout this presentation, we're going to cover several different aspects of cyberbullying, so we would like you to keep these thoughts in mind as we move forward.
There are many challenges that come along with preventing cyberbullying, one of which is detection. Social media platforms are typically owned by the private sector, which makes data hard to access, and data is very scarce. A lot of the data is restricted and inaccessible. Another problem is the rapid increase of social media usage. Very little is known about detection within a social media session. What is known is that bullying can be a sequence of interactions, but often is one post with many interactions following, which is hard to track. Another huge problem is the age barrier between the students and the parents and teachers. Children are often way more fluent with social media than the people trying to detect the bullying. Because parents and teachers often lack awareness and knowledge needed, they can't help prevent online bullying. Plans should be put in place to help prevent cyberbullying. Many opportunities and resources are available, one of which is education. Researchers believe education is the key to prevent cyberbullying and limit negative side effects. Programs can be put in place in the school system to educate parents and students. Police officers are a great resource to use to conduct trainings while discussing real cases and consequences. Due to the rapid increase of cyberbullying, research is ongoing. There are many resources available. StopBullying.gov, StompOutBullying.org, SafeKids.com, www.aft.org, and cyberbullying.org are all websites where parents and kids can go to find resources to help with cyberbullying.
Anyone in education today, unless they've been living under a rock, will tell you that the incorporation of technology is essential to the classroom of today. This is a given. Unfortunately, utilizing this technology, necessary though it may be, brings inherent risks such as the aforementioned cyberbullying. This issue has been addressed by several organizations and employers. Two entities that have sought strategies to deal with cyberbullying are the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, or CISA for short, which is a federal agency, and Smart Mobile Gamers, which is an online think tank that consists of social gaming enthusiasts. Some suggestions from CISA are to avoid engaging cyberbullies altogether to prevent a situation from escalating and to refrain from putting any personal information online. Smart Mobile Gamers' most helpful tips are to avoid people that you don't know personally and to seek help offline if one feels that it is needed.
To sum up, how do we develop responses to cyberbullying and other forms of digital abuse when we see them on social media? First, if you see something, say something. Report what you see. It oftentimes goes against terms and conditions agreed upon by the user to use the site. To do this, we need to teach our students how to report and to show an adult if they feel uncomfortable reporting a situation. We also need to connect students with a mentor so they have someone they can reach out to in times of need.
How do we create digitally responsible citizens that create a safe digital environment? To end cyberbullying, education is critical. Students need to know the effects of cyberbullying and what to do if they witness it. Due to the rapidly changing technology available, research should be ongoing. Spreading awareness, promoting cyber responsibility, and continued research are the keys to develop digitally responsible citizens.